Howdy, folks. You know me as country western superstar and role model, Honest Cowboy Parky. You know, before I started taking Balance of Nature, I couldn't even tune my own guitar. That was 3 weeks ago. Since then, I've sold 12 platinum albums, won 4 Grammys, and discovered a cure for cancer. After shooting this commercial, I plan to go over to the nearest grade school and bench press a school bus just to show the kids I can do it. And then after that, I'm walking Hanky here to the Oregon coast, 300 miles away, and we plan to be home before dinner. Speaking of Hanky, he takes Balance of Nature too, and just look at him, a virtual fireball of energy. He can't sit still. Well, it's all true, trust me. Or my name is an Honest Cowboy Parky.